welcome to Science World. My name is Anush. This is my big brother Avik. Today we're gonna be blowing balloons, except I'm not gonna blow into my balloon. Neither is Avik.
No.
We're gonna use. You can use any containers you want.
It has to be small mouth.
You need vinegar and baking soda. So you can use one balloon if you're doing it yourself, or if you want to do it with your friends or anyone, you can use two. So today we're not going to blow it, we just need vinegar and baking soda.
Let's begin. This is a challenge between my brother and I to see whose balloon grows bigger. This is around a 250 milliliter container, so we're both going to be using the same amount of vinegar, but different amounts of baking soda.
How much vinegar?
Around 50 milliliters.
Good. Get started.
So now let's pour the vinegar. It's about to pour the baking soda.
Let's see.
That's enough.
Okay.
Here you go. I'll hold your bottle for you.
Thanks.
Okay. I'll tell you when to stop. Stop. Now we're going to be putting baking soda inside our balloons. We're using paper funnels. If you've got a bottle, like a plastic bottle, you can just cut the cap off to use as a funnel. Or if you have a funnel, you can use that. But we're just using a paper one. It's really easy to make. You just fold the two sides together. And just like this, you've got your own paper funnel and you can glue it together.
Okay, so let's get started. Just to make it more interesting, I'm using 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and Avik is going to use 1 tablespoon. Okay, so let's get started. Now let's stick that in.
You can get make sure it's inside the balloon, or else it's, God. Okay, yeah, there. Put it.
Now, let's put it right in there. And
Yep.
just one more tablespoon. Which is about like here, and okay.
Yep, that's it.
Is that good enough?
As you may have noticed, we paused the video because we needed our mum's help to fill up the balloons with baking soda. But yeah, now comes the fun part. Anusha's going to be putting his baking soda into this vinegar, and let's see how it reacts.
How much do you have in there?
I have 2 tablespoons.
And I've got 1 tablespoon in mine.
And trust me, it's not as easy as it looks. Oh, nothing happened, luckily.
Yeah, that's okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, guys, can you see that gas? Can you see that gas?
It's so cool.
Because of the gas, when the baking soda and vinegar reacted, dioxide came all the way up to fill this balloon. That is so cool.
And I can't wait to see.
Can you hold mine, please, Nush?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Put in the middle just so if it spills, nothing happens.
There.
Oh.
3, 2, 1. Oh, mine also is filling. Oh, wow. Wow, even mine's really cool.
Mine is
It's going to be tough.
Oh, Avik's yours.
Mine is more of an oval shape and his is
More of
rounder. So, as you might know, the vinegar reacted with the baking soda. Vinegar is an acid and released carbon dioxide, which made the balloons look like this. Probably looks like Anush won. Okay guys, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed, and if you want to do your own science experiment, definitely do that, and post it down in the link in the description below, in the Gmail link in the description below, and yeah, other than that, and we'll post it on YouTube. Other than that, see you later. Bye.